This video, we're going to be learning how you can simply go ahead and master your Apple Calendar. So first things first, let's just start with the canvas. As you can see, when you open the calendar application, this is how it's going to go ahead and look like. All you need to do is on the calendar menu bar right over here, you can simply go ahead and click on new calendar if you want to right over here, as you can see. And once you've done that, you can name it whatever you want. So for example, I'm just gonna say new year, right? There you go. So now I have my new year calendar. There's work calendar, there's home calendar, right? Stuff like that. So in new year calendar, I can add everything that is related with new year. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete all the scheduled reminders. I can add birthdays if I want to right over here, and so on. So the second thing I can do is simply go ahead and assign distinct colors to each calendar for quick visual identification. So for example, here I can choose this color, work, for example. Let's say I want to choose a green color, and for home I want to choose, let's say, an orange color, or this looks similar, so red color, right? And now the other thing you can do is you can also add Google Outlook or other accounts to bring in everything into one place. So you might be wondering how you can go ahead and do so. You can simply go ahead and do that in settings right over here, heading to accounts, and now simply go ahead and have your Google account linked right over here. So for example, I'm going to choose Google, click on continue, and once that is done, it's going to take me to a page where I can log in into my Google, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. All right, I'm just going to use the passkey. That's going to be faster. All right, now I can simply go ahead and click on continue. And then click on continue again, and click on OK. So as you can see, this account already exists, it says, all right, but it is done. And now all I need to do is choose the default calendar in preferences as this calendar. Now let's talk about creating and managing events. Okay, so for example, let's say this new year you want to go ahead and meet one of your friend. Okay, so for example, lunch with Sarah at Tuesday 1 p.m. What you can do is you can simply tell Siri to do it without using hands, right? You can just say, Siri, do that. Or you could also simply go ahead and drag events to reschedule. So for example, let's say in 7, I'm going to simply go ahead and tap on that, click on new event right over here. And once I click on new event, I'm just going to write meet Sarah at 10 a.m. Okay, there you go. Done. See, as you can see, it's going to be set right over there, and once that day is going to be there, you're going to get a reminder. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything that you need to understand about this application. So if it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.